Hey, Mike Ely here, one of the co-founders of BidPoint. I want to say thank you very much for taking time to watch this short introductory video. Welcome to BidPoint. This is our website. You're probably seeing this on our homepage or our advisor page, or basically our referral agent page. Now, what's nice about what we have in our program is we do not have any sign-up fees or anything like that. We are just looking for people who want to learn how or already have a book of business of commercial energy that it has to do with natural gas and electricity. Okay, there is a tremendous amount of money potential in this market space. We've been doing it at BidPoint for probably over 10 years. Previous to that, my business partners and I, we have had business, probably been doing it for 5 to 8 years longer than that. All you're going to do is below this video, you're going to see a little button and you're going to click it. And what you're going to do is you're going to schedule a call with my business partner, Rick. Now, Rick is a fantastic guy. Like I said, he's been in the business, in the industry for many, many years. And what we're going to do is we're going to have a short discovery call, basically who you are, what your interests are, what kind of contacts you might have. And then we're going to dial, kind of help you dial it in. So where we can help you get a nice big book of business going, okay? Build that residual income. So month after month after month. I mean, we have people that are getting checks on stuff that they did 5-10 years ago, right? I mean, just way back when, for simple things. Now, our processes are super simple. We literally don't have you do a lot of work. What we've done is we have partnerships with multiple vendors, the top vendors, basically the other electric companies out there. And our process is we basically help you or teach you how to get a hold of just the bill or a copy of a bill. And what you do is you pass it on. Once you pass it on, our experts take care of that. We do all the heavy lifting. We get you, the best deals, or be your potential client, the best deals on the best rates, okay? And there is a massive demand right now in the energy space for savings, okay? Just plain out, it's dollars and cents. The nice part is we help you to get a proposal that you can walk back in, just hand it to them, email it to them or whatever, text it to them, so that the business partner or business person that you're looking to that has the, this potential client, they're going to see the savings. And in most cases, it's significant because we have multiple vendors bidding against each other and can typically always get the best rate for your client, which ultimately means money in your pocket every single month, because that's what they do. They pay that bill every single month. And we have people that have done tremendous with this. You can look on our website on bidpoint.io, if you happen to see this video somewhere else. And what you can do is you can look around, see some of the testimonials, some of the other videos that we have on here. But literally, just click that button, do a discovery call with Rick, and we'll get you dialed in. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.